and that is why, seeing the response, we are overwhelmed. We have put together a lot of hard work to make sure that this event goes live in just a few hours. So thank you so much for joining in. Thank you for trusting us. And to all those who have joined the GDSC for the first time, welcome to Google Developers Student Club Techno International Batanagar. We believe that you will stick with us and you will learn a lot along the way, and we will learn together, and you will also share the knowledge that you have gathered via GDSC or by your potential. So thank you so much again for joining in. I hope all of you are doing well and are safe and sound. I know that pandemic has been very harsh, but these events just keep coming and give us some hope that yes, there are better things to look forward to. So I guess all of us are aware of why we have gathered today. That is our upcoming event, 30 Days of Google Cloud Program. So are you guys excited? Can we have some messages on the chat to see how many of you are excited, just to have an ice-breaking session?
Yes, so much.
Okay, that's great. So many of you are excited, and it gives me a lot of hope that maybe this year we would be able to achieve a lot than we have actually expected. So, as we know that today at 5 p.m. IST, that is roughly the time that we have got informed, that after which the registration portals will get open, and we are all excited to register for 30 days of Google Cloud Program. Google Cloud Program is a program that has been running in GDSC for 2 years now, and every year it is, very much enthusiastic, and all of us feel very good to be a part of this program, where we not only get to learn about cloud and cloud computing, cloud technologies, but we also get some goodies and all such merchandises from Google. So, I mean, it's amazing to get rewarded for when you are learning something. It just gives you a lot of motivation to start. So, I guess that's enough for you guys to get excited about the event that we have organized today, that is 30 Days of Google Cloud Program Connect. This event is actually for all those who may face problem while registering, because a lot of time this happens that we want to register, so there is some points where you may get stuck. So that is why we made sure that none of us lose this opportunity just because they were not able to understand, or just to ease out the helplessness that goes around this with this event. Apart from that, we will also take up some queries that you have about 30 days of Google Cloud Program. So any queries, if you have doubt, anything, you can drop in the chat. And also, if you feel that you have some question, you can switch on the mic and say it by your own self as well. And also, we will be giving live updates of whenever the registration portal opens. We hope that it would start from 5 p.m. But let's hope for the best and see that if it happens. Now, this year, our Google Cloud facilitator is Gaurav Bhattacharya, and I think it's worth mentioning that Gaurav has been doing a lot to make sure that none of us face any issues. He has been making tutorials, has even made a lot of one-page documents that could help you throughout the program. He will also be taking up sessions just in case you are facing any problem in the labs. So first of all, congratulations, Gaurav. We hope that you will enjoy facilitating us throughout the program, and we are happy to have you as someone who will be guiding us through the program. Apart from that, we have Kaushik. Kaushik is the cloud mentor for us. He will be telling us all about cloud. He would be helping Gaurav to make sure that none of us lose this opportunity. So I think that was it. So again, thank you so much. So I would like to invite now Gaurav to take over and tell us about all the necessary important practices that we should keep in mind. But before I even do that, I have one more information to share, that we only have 50,000 registrations from India. Do you get the intensity of rush that you might feel whenever you will be registering? 50,000 registration, and we have over 350 plus Google developers to adapters in India. So the rush is going to be amazing. So make sure that you act like Flash and take up the opportunity as soon as possible. So keep in mind 50,000 registration. Now, Gaurav, you can take over and tell us about what we should do, what we should keep in mind. Gaurav and Kaushik, both of you.
Hello everyone. I hope everyone has completed the quick labs file. Can you send a yes in chat if you have already done that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you guys want me to do a presentation again on the quick labs right on the live session?
No, it's okay.
So everyone has created the profile.
Is there anyone left who is facing any issue in creation of Quick Lab profile? Because it's an important step for your registration. So if that is the case, you can just share in the chat so that we can do that. Okay,
so I can be presenting the quick labs creation right now.
Sakshi, Rahul, and Akash, these are the names that I have seen that these guys have not created yet. So I think it would be better that you give a small walkthrough, Gaurav.
Neha, so should I present the tutorial on that right now?
Yeah, you can present the video. Oh, by the way, guys, we have shared the video. Yesterday evening we shared the video where there is complete step on how to create a Quick Lab profile. Along with that, how you can generate the public profile link, which will be needed whenever you are registered for 30 days of Google Cloud program. So make sure you do that beforehand, because as I have said, 50,000 registrations. So make sure you do. But anyway, Gaurav, you can still do that. You can present it so that if someone is left, they can continue and.
Okay, so I'll be doing the tutorial on the Quick Labs now. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your screen is
okay,
visible.
Thank you. Yes. So I'll be starting the tutorial right now. Okay, you can do along with me if anyone is left to do that.
Okay, while you do that, I'm sure that most of you are following us on Instagram and our other social media handles. If not, you can do that because it would be really helpful for the future events as well. We keep doing such updates, and we also post some tutorials. You can also follow, subscribe our YouTube channel. We also have a LinkedIn page. We have a Facebook page as well. You can do it. And if you haven't already joined our WhatsApp group, please do that. I think that's very helpful. So the moderators, please share all the links so that we can have more members.
In the chat.
Yeah, that's great. Gaurav, you can continue. Thank you.
Yeah. First of all, you have to open the incognito tab and go to quicklabs.com. If anyone faces any issue, just turn your mic on and tell me. I won't be able to see the chats. Just click on the join button here on the right side.
Yeah, Gaurav, can you wait a little so that if anyone is following along, they can, get the time to do that.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Yeah, if you face any problem, guys, you can take over the chat.
When to start?
Yes. Yeah, you can start. I'm saying just give some, pauses between the steps.
Yeah, okay. First of all, open the incognito or tab and go to quicklabs.com. On the right hand side in the top corner, there is a button. Click on that.
Gaurav, someone is asking if it could be done without incognito tab.
Yeah, you can do that,
Yes,
but
it can be done, but it's recommended to use incognito.
because
Okay.
there is some cache memory in the file, so I don't think you need to do that. You can use it incognito or you can use a fresh new window.
Yeah, you can do any of that.
Just check that you don't use a Gmail account or an account that you already used before in the Quick Labs.
Yeah. Please make sure of this, because if you have already done any of the labs previously as part of any other Google Cloud program, because they keep launching these campaigns. So what will happen is that it may be possible that you may not be tracked under this campaign, and you may also lose the opportunity to get the rewards. So make sure you don't do
You
that.
will be eligible to get the goodies and the certificate.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll be clicking on the join button right here in the right side. Over here, you can sign in with your Google account. Just tap on sign in with Google. Select the account you want to log in into and sign up with. We use QuickLab to perform the labs in the tracks in order to complete the tracks in the Google Cloud program. Like in the physical labs, you do practical, and over on the Cloud console, we use QuickLab from Google to complete our labs in the virtually, I mean.
So the QuickLab is basically a platform that can help you to learn cloud computing. Okay, so it will give simulation of how the cloud works, because as you might have heard, cloud servers, you need to pay to use cloud servers. So basically it just creates a simulation of the same, so that you can, learn in very real life kind of environment. So QuickLabs is basically for that.
Yeah, it is a hands-on learning platform from Google
Yes.
where you can perform your labs.
And in these 30 days, you will get free. No charges will be cost to you
Yeah, you will be getting a subscription for free.
for 30
Isn't
days.
that amazing that we won't have to pay for the services that are anyway paid? So under this campaign, just imagine you will get to learn cloud technology. You will also get rewards. Other than that, you are also getting access to some paid, services from Google Cloud program. That's amazing.
Just click on I am not a robot. In case you are a robot, don't click on that. Just click on I accept over here. Just wait for some time. Are you guys following?
Yeah. Is anyone having any issue till now? Has anyone faced any issue? You can tell us in the chat, or unmute themselves and tell us. Okay, Akash is saying no issue faced. That's great, Akash.
Thank you. So after you see the homepage, that this is the homepage of Quick Labs, click on profile. The third option. As you can see, we have an option here called make my profile public. Share your badges with a public profile. We have to make a profile public in order to share a link so that Google can track our records in order to see which labs we have completed in order to send us the Google goodies. So let's click on make profile public. You will be able to use QuickLab if you don't get registered. Yes, you can be able to. Just click on make profile public. So guys, this is your QuickLabs profile ID. public profile ID, I mean. You'll be doing this throughout your registration process. You'll be asked if whether or not you have a Quick Labs profile ID, and when asked, just enter this URL over there. So you're done for today with the Quick Labs profile creation. Does anyone have faced any problem?
Yes. Has anyone faced any problem? Is anyone still left on creation of Quick Lab profile? Because I guess it's 56 already. In few minutes, we will be getting live updates.
Just 4 minutes to go.
Yes.
Thanks, Rahul.
You can ask, yeah. Yeah, guys, you can ask in any local language. हिंदी में पूछ सकते हो और हमारे बांग्लादेशी
বাংলাতে জিজ্ঞেস করিস তোরা, কোনো সমস্যা নেই।
no problem.
Okay, thank you, guys.
Okay, if it has gone smoothly, that's for the best.
After completing every step, you can see a page like this. It means that you have completed your profile completely. This is the end page of the public profile. You can check it out from. This is the Quick Lab homepage. I'm going to. Just wait, guys. My internet is a bit slow today.
I get a lab coat.
I can't get you.
Sorry?
I think Noor is asking if he will be getting a lab coat or not. Sorry, we are not performing any physics or I don't think we even need a lab coat for physics, but we are not performing any chemistry experiment. So you won't be needing a lab coat and you won't be getting a lab coat.
Quick Labs are not kind of that lab.
You're getting a backpack instead if you complete your labs. We can do that, and also a t-shirt.
Yep.
Exactly.
Actually, আমি আগে দেখলাম যে ল্যাব গুলো ওখানে দেখলাম যে ল্যাব কোড দিতে হচ্ছে
that is access code.
Oh,
During
sorry.
the apply for the lab, you will get the access code below the dash. Okay, whatever the
You'll be getting the email. In case of a access code, you'll be getting an email from Google directly from it.
Yeah, basically what I have seen from last year trends is that while registering, you will have to complete one small lab. Once you complete that, okay, so I guess we have to complete 2 labs, right?
Yeah, just 1 2 lab. You have to wait for 5 minutes and it's done. You'll be getting a credit.
You will be getting an email from Google, which would be having all the instructions that you need to follow for the next 30 days. Also the access code. So you will be getting that.
The instructions are self-explanatory, but if you face any problem, you can also text us.
Yes, we are here for that.
So this is the Quick Labs homepage. Just go to profile. You can also see my learning from here if it shows different. Profile of my learning.
Hello. Sir, I have a doubt. Like I have already made 2 Quick Labs accounts. So can I use that or I have to make another one?
No, you have to make a new account in order to be eligible to get the prizes and the certificate. Google won't be tracking your previously done labs.
See, if you have done any of the labs before, like if any of the labs overlap with whatever you have done before, it is possible that you won't be tracked under this campaign. We have been instructed strictly to make sure that if any one of you have done any of the labs before, it's better to create a new profile just in case you don't want to lose the opportunity to earn those rewards. So it's the best practice.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Guys, you have to like me for you.
Full course name will be Techno International Bhatanagar. That's given there.
Irrespective of any college you are from, you have to give Techno International Bhatanagar in order to be eligible to be entering in this program.
Basically, for our Google Developer Student Club, if you are a part of our Google Developer Student Club, you will have to enter Techno International Bhatanagar so that you will be tracked under us and you will be tracked under the facilitator of our GDSC, that is Gaurav. So it's safe to.
This is your public profile. You can access it
Yeah.
in case anybody was having confusion.
Yeah. Gaurav, can you share some live updates of whether.
I have a
Yeah,
problem.
I'm opening the website only.
Yeah.
Hello.
Meanwhile, you can go on. Yeah.
I already filled the form with my college name.
No, not the form. If the registration form you will be filling up now, you have to give Techno International Bhatanagar now.
From the form you provided in
form
WhatsApp link.
No, the
No,
form will
that
be
is a
getting now.
different
that.
form, guys. That is a Google Developer
We
Student
are yet
Club
to get the
membership
form
form.
over here.
Okay.
Can you show me where it is?
We'll
The
It will be
form
provided
is
shortly.
has not been released yet.
Okay.
The form is not at.
When it's
Okay.
available, it will be provided shortly.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
See.
I think the registration portal is yet not open. There may be some issues going on. Meanwhile, there is one common
Yeah,
question that is
guys,
being,
you can go to this website.
yeah, share the link in the chat.
Yes, guys, just go to this chat.
Yes, and keep refreshing over the time.
Yep.
And as soon as we get the information, we will also be there.
Form is here. Okay.
Do it with me.
Okay, that's great. All the best, guys.
Enroll in the program here. 50,000 seats available. Do click on enroll in the program here on this. Yeah, can you please send the link in the WhatsApp chat group also?
Okay, I'll be sending
Okay,
it.
thank you. So this is the form you will be needing to fill up now. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
You can be eligible if you are 18 plus. You can join from list. Yes, if you are 18
Yeah, you
plus.
can join from school.
Only if you are 18 plus.
Yeah, anyone can join. They just have to be slightly interested in technology and, as he said, that 18 plus.
Too many requests. Okay. The server is busy, I think.
ম্যাম দিদি হাই ট্রাফিক আছে ডিউ টু হাই ট্রাফিক
এখন একটু ওয়েট কর আবার হয়ে যাবে
Yeah, keep patience. Please keep patience.
But my form is.
Some of you might get
Yeah,
the
you can
access.
share it to WhatsApp.
The link is same, you need to go to that link only.
দাদা যেটা দিয়ে কুইক ল্যাবের অ্যাকাউন্ট খুলেছি সেই ইমেলটা দিয়ে করব না
হ্যাঁ ওই ইমেলটা দিয়ে
হ্যাঁ ওটা দিয়ে
নিউ অ্যাকাউন্ট যেটা আছে
ইমেল সুইচ করতে পারছি না এখনো
ইউজ
হেভি ট্রাফিক দেখাচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ হেভি
ওটা
ট্রাফিক
রিফ্রেশ করতে থাক পেয়ে যাবি পরে
করছি
হয়ে যাবে
I think I got the form and
just
Just
fill
fill
it
it
up
up.
if you
If you
have got
got it, then fill it up.
thanks Kaushik.
Yeah.
Welcome.
And if while filling,
so
if you face
year
any
of graduation what
I'm getting
2020
information the website has crashed right now. You can
25 না আমাদের first
I think this is a benchmark of how everyone is going through over 30 days of Google Cloud
It's showing
program.
too much
this time
traffic.
it's higher now. It's
I
higher.
applied for 2 times and it's showing again and again too much traffic. I'm not able to
Okay
complete
guys,
my
the
form.
server has crashed.
No issue, guys. Keep trying.
Yeah, Tanishta.
করছি কিছু বলিনি
That's good as well as bad also.
Yeah.
The server has crashed.
ক্লাস করেই যাচ্ছে
কিসের স্টেপটা দেখাবো ছবিতে যে লিংকটা পাঠিয়েছি লিংকটাতে যা ওখানে গিয়ে দেখ ফর্মের লিংকটা পাবি এনরোল ইন দ্য ফর্ম হিয়ার এই দেখ এখানে আছে
থেকে মানে from where? কোথা থেকে
কুইক ল্যাব সেটা না ল্যাবেরটা এই ফর্মেটটা
মাইক অন করে বলতে হয় সমস্যা নেই
Videv,
হ্যালো
yeah.
হ্যাঁ বল
প্রথমে লিংকটা ক্লিক করার পর কি করব
লিংকটাতে
ফিল আপের অপশন আছে
কিছু মানে পেজ ওপেন হচ্ছে
আর হচ্ছেই না কিছু
হ্যাঁ তো ওটা এখন ওয়েট করতে
কিছু হচ্ছে না তাহলে পরে হবে এখন
হেভি
সার্ভার ক্র্যাশ
ট্রাফিক
করে
দেখাচ্ছে
আছে ওটা সার্ভার ক্র্যাশ করে আছে এখন দাঁড়া কিছুক্ষণ পরে হবে
দাদা বলছি ক্লিক করে দিলাম কিন্তু তারপর WPS অফিসটা খুলছে
না WPS অফিস না, গুগল ক্রোম দিয়ে খোল।
WPS অফিস না, ক্রোম খুলতে হবে।
না ওখানে দেখে
ফোন থেকে করছিস?
আই এম নট এ রোবট ওরকম দেখাচ্ছে তো।
হ্যাঁ তাহলে ওটা ভেরিফাই কর।
তো ভেরিফাইটা বুঝতে পারছি না ওটা।
We just have to click on that. Click on that checkbox.
সেটা বলে দে, ক্লিক মার না, রাইট ক্লিক মার ওখানে।
Guys prefer using a PC over a phone to apply?
ফোনে WPS অফিস খুলে ক্রোম খুলতে হবে।
দুটো অপশন থাকে তো, WPS অফিস অর ক্রোম, যে কোনো একটা সিলেক্ট করলে হয়।
না না, WPS অফিস করলে এটা প্রবলেম।
It is recommended to use Google Chrome, and I won't ask you guys to do any experiments because we are already, you can see Ash. So please don't take any risk.
Guys, have patience.
That was great.
Gaurav is always.
I think everyone, okay, someone is, Rahul is saying, I think everyone wants that Google t-shirt, they crash the server. Yeah, that's true.
Everyone wants it, bro.
Everyone wants it.
Instagram.
We love Google.
Hashtag GDSIV.
Yes.
হ্যাঁ, ট্রেন্ডিং করে দাও তোরা।
Also, thank you so much, guys.
মানে একটা ছোট দরজা থেকে বেশি জন ঢুকতে গেলে যা হয় অবস্থা।
Thank you so much for joining the WhatsApp group. Gives me immense pleasure to mention that we have over 200 plus members in the WhatsApp group. That's great. Isn't that amazing?
Enrollment is now closed.
Okay.
সব হারিয়ে ফেললাম জামা আরে।
আরে
না না সময় আছে, সময় আছে।
Don't worry.
চিল মার।
I think everyone will become cloud engineer.
এখানে সবাই পাবে, সমস্যা নেই।
All of us are, over the cloud. We are all over the cloud after listening that we have 30 days of the cloud program here. It is one of the most exciting event.
Yeah.
Thank you, Yoda.
You are welcome.
এটা ফার্স্ট ইয়ারে হলে আরো ভালো হতো।
মানে
ফার্স্ট ইয়ারে যখন মানে কলেজ তো
আচ্ছা,
বন্ধ।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, সে তো হলে তাও সত্যি কথা, এটা তোদের জন্য এটা করা উচিত ছিল।
Yes.
ট্রাই again করেই দেখছি, আর হবে না মনে হয়।
By the way, guys, the event is being recorded. So if you guys feel like looking back at the moments that we all had, then you can check our YouTube channel after we upload it.
কেউ কি পেয়েছে এখনো অব্দি?
অ্যাকাউন্ট চেঞ্জ করতে গিয়ে
আমারও খুলেছিল, তারপর আমারও বন্ধ হয়ে গেল। আমি অলরেডি
খালি আমাদের না গোটা ইন্ডিয়াতে যতজন করছে সবারই সার্ভার ক্র্যাশ করেছে।
আমার খুলেছে,
ফর্ম ফিল আপ করে অ্যাপ্লাই করলে হলো না।
হ্যাঁ আমার খুলে গেছে। হলো
মেরা খুলে যাওয়ার পর বন্ধ হয়ে গেল।
ফর্মটা খুলে
সাইন আপ করলো জলদি।
হ্যাঁ ফিল আপ করেছি, ফিল আপ করার পরে অ্যাপ্লাই করতে আর হলো না।
আচ্ছা, মানে কেউ কি সাকসেসফুলি এখন মানে ফর্মটা খুলতে পেরেছে?
আমার এখনই খুললো।
খুললো?
ফর্মটা
কমপ্লিট ফিল আপ হয়নি।
কলেজ সিলেক্ট করেছিলাম, তারপর আমার মানে আছে কি প্রোফাইল আছে কি নেই সেটা জিজ্ঞেস করলো, আছে বলেছি, তারপরে জাস্ট ক্রাশ করে জাস্ট ফিনিশ হবে।
যদি কারো সাকসেসফুলি খুলে গেছে সে প্রেজেন্ট করতে পারে, তাহলে সবার জন্য হেল্পফুল হতো খুব।
বলছি আমার খুলে গেছে পেজটা।
তোর কি ফর্মটা খুলে গেছে?
আমার ফর্ম ফিল আপও হয়ে গেছে, তারপর অ্যাপ্লাই করার পর ক্লাস করে গেছে।
এই তো সবারই
আমার খুলেছে, अभी दोबारा खुला था फिर बंद हो गया।
তিনখানা আলাদা ডিভাইসে ট্রাই করছি এখন অবধি।
এখানে সুইচ অ্যাকাউন্টের অপশন আসছে।
বলছি দাদা ফর্মটা খোলার পরে কি ওটা নেক্সট করতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ অবভিয়াসলি
প্রত্যেকটা স্টেপে গিয়ে ক্র্যাশ করছে।
হ্যাঁ প্রত্যেকটা স্টেপে
টু মাচ ট্রাফিক হয়ে গেছে।
এখন অবধি অ্যাকসেপ্ট অবধি হয়েছে আমার।
অ্যাকসেপ্ট করে আগে যাওয়া হচ্ছে না।
হ্যাঁ গেছি এখন ওই আবার ট্রাফিক দেখাচ্ছে
আবার।
To all the Hindi speaking people, the form is crashing. Form crash कर रहा है. कृपया patience रखें.
ग्रेजुएशन में कब डेट 224 और
सबर रखे।
सबर रखें।
এখন information এসেছে, this is because of heavy traffic on the form, please slow down that so that everyone can register successfully.
गौरव ग्रेजुएशन ईयर कब डेट 224 और आफ्टर?
তোর কোন গ্র্যাজুয়েশন ইয়ার হচ্ছে?
আমার ফার্স্ট ইয়ার এবার।
So you will be graduating 2025 I guess.
না তো কিছু নেই তো, তখন যদি 25 নেই তো 24 করে দাও, প্রবলেম নেই।
No, there is two options before 2024 and after and before. That is
last one
after করে দাও, after করে দাও।
Yes
after
they can do the after.
বলছি সুইচ ল্যাব অ্যাকাউন্টে কি আমার কুইক ল্যাবস অ্যাকাউন্টে দেবো?
হ্যাঁ ওইটাই দিতে হবে।
যেটা নিউ অ্যাকাউন্ট ক্রিয়েট করেছি সেটা দিয়ে কর।
বন্ধ হয়ে গেল আবার।
আমাদের কি 2021 দেবো তো?
2021 কি দেখাচ্ছে ওটা? জয়েনিং
ইয়ার অফ গ্র্যাজুয়েশন।
গ্র্যাজুয়েশন
I think guys you should do this calculation that if you are joining the college in 2021, then after 4 years of your BTech, that will be 2025. So
okay,
just to explain.
টোটাল 335 চ্যাপ্টার মেম্বার্স আছে, মানে টোটাল কলেজেস, সরি।
তো খুঁজছি না।
So Gaurav, Snigdha has a query that the account from which she was made the Quick Labs is not being accepted in the form. It's asking me to switch the account. I mean, it's asking her to switch the account.
যে অ্যাকাউন্ট দিয়ে মানে বানিয়েছে সেটা দিয়ে করলে তো, the account from which I have made my Quick Labs and taking that account. And you can switch the account. Just
Yes.
give your নতুন Quick account দিতে হবে ওখানে।
Yeah. Have patience, guys, and as Tamal is saying, have tea. That's great. Have tea.
যার যার মাইক অন আছে অফ করে রাখ, আওয়াজ আসছে। বাড়ির পার্সন আওয়াজ এখানে শোনাস না প্লিজ।
Clear the cache memory and try again. It is opening.
মানে বাড়ি যদি কেউ ঝড় হচ্ছে সেটা মানে এটা পার্সোনাল নিস না কেউ, এটা মজাকে বলেছি।
Yeah, guys, please don't get offended. We are a fun community, and yes, most of you are from our own college.
Just having fun.
Yeah, and we feel like a family. So meanwhile, Gaurav, can you tell me about the
अभी ओपन
prerequisite?
हो रहा है, अभी ओपन हो रहा है।
Is it opening?
Should I share them? Okay.
Gaurav, should he share the form?
No, again, crash ho gaya.
Okay.
So too many requests I see.
It's showing that there is too much traffic.
Too much requests.
One more thing, one
ক্যাশের
question that
জন্য
I have been,
ইনকগনিটো মোডে করতে পারি, যারা ক্যাশের
yes,
প্রবলেম ফেস করছে তারা ইনকগনিটো মোডে কর।
yes, incognito mode can also be used to check if that is a problem that is stopping you from registering. Also, I have a question that someone was asking me if you need any prior knowledge of cloud to complete the program. So can you brief us about that, Gaurav?
No, you won't be needing prior knowledge to this. This is a training program where you will be provided the instructions and you have to carry them out successfully. Only after each, under each quiz, there are a few labs. After a few labs, there will be a challenge lab where you have to perform the lab by yourself. Except that before the prior labs you will be having the instructions to do that. This is a training program actually. You'll be learning hands-on.
Also, from personal experience, I have took part in this program earlier as well, and Gaurav and Kaushik has also done that. We all of us agree that the steps are very easy to follow if you are someone who is capable of reading. If you are someone who is capable of reading, it won't take a lot of your understanding to understand what is going on, and I guess you will be able to do that.
And it's very easy to do so and explained in details.
দিদি এখনো হচ্ছে না।
একটু ওয়েট কর, হচ্ছে না।
Guys, wait. Well, if you get any update, please immediately inform us.
গৌরবদার ভয়েসটা একদম আমার ব্যাচমেটের মতো, সপ্তদ্বীপের মতো।
আচ্ছা, ওকে।
Is it because I'm using my college account so it's crashing for
no.
a number of times?
সবারই ক্র্যাশ হচ্ছে, খালি তোর না, গোটা ইন্ডিয়াতে সবারই হচ্ছে।
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
Can
I use my college account?
Like college account বলতে edumail আছে কি তোর?
Yes, that one.
Yeah, you can use that.
Okay.
No, actually, as this is a Google program, you will be needing to use a Google account only. I don't think the edumail will be.
দাদা, এডু মেইলটা অ্যাক্সেস করে না সব জায়গায়।
Okay, so I got an update. So they are telling us to be patient. This is a technical glitch because tons of people are trying to access the form together.
গুগলের সার্ভার ক্র্যাশ হয়ে অ্যাকাউন্টের তা হবে না।
Can't we start this session without filling the form?
Guys, I would have to ask you to please not use any kind of offensive comments. Please don't do that in case of our university as well or for anyone. This event is being recorded and this is a registered event. So make sure you don't insult any entity.
গাইজ আবার ট্রাই করে দেয়, ফর্মটা এসে
সেই কিছুক্ষণ পর নেক্সট পড়ার পর আবার হেভি ট্রাফিক।
আবার অমনি হয়ে গেল।
হ্যাঁ, আমি আবার আমার পুরো উড়ে গেল, আমি করলাম আবার একই হচ্ছে। এখন ইনকগনিটো করছি
টেকনিক্যাল
ইনকগনিটোতেই কর।
হায়ার অথরিটি থেকে বলা হয়েছে যে টেকনিক্যাল গ্লিচ হচ্ছে, হ্যাভ পেশেন্স। তো আমরা ওটাই করছি আপাতত।
দিদি ইনকগনিটো কি? ওটা কি? একটা
So there is an
Control plus Shift plus N, your incognito window will open.
You can click on the options for Chrome, and there you have an option to open an incognito tab. You can do that. Gaurav, meanwhile, can you tell us about the timeline of the program, like up till which date we have to complete, and also the time?
It is flexible according to your time, but I think, let me just tell you the dates. You have, we are guided to say that after you get your credit, right there and right now. And officially, it will be starting from September 27, 2021 till October 27, midnight. You will be having 1 month time to complete all your lives. Anytime you can log in and do your lives. There's no friction.
Yeah, and as he mentioned, that night, which means 12 a.m. sharp. They won't be accepting any other entries after that, so make sure you complete it before. Okay. So Google is very strict with their timelines. The pace is flexible. The pace at which you will be doing the labs is flexible, but there is a deadline of completing all the labs. That is, while you will be completing those labs, what will happen is you will be getting some badges. After you have the mentioned badges collected, that is when you will be eligible. So you can do it before 27th October, 12 a.m. And if you are not able to do that, you won't be tracked. And I guess there is some kind of classification under which all goodies you will be getting, because we have 2 tracks to complete. Is that true, Gaurav? We have 2 tracks, right?
Yeah, we will be having 2 tracks, and under each track, we'll be having different sets of labs to complete. And at the end of each lab, we will be having a challenge lab that you will be having to do by all your.
So Shubham is asking how many times can we perform the lab? So is there any limit?
Infinite times. And in case you get stuck with the, it says that you have attempted maximum or your quota is exceeded for this lab, just contact Quick Lab support and they will help you out with that. No issues.
while you can do a lab infinite times, it also means that you will be getting some specific amount of credit, which means that each of
No,
those
you'll be,
labs.
I think you'll be, all you guys will be getting 1 month pass, like unlimited credits.
Okay, is that so? Because last time it was
Last time
different.
last time we got some credit, but this time I think they'll be giving 1 month subscription to everyone.
Okay. Okay, then that's good. We can complete the lab as much as possible.
Yep.
Last date of registration. Manisha, I think we don't know about the last date of registration, but as mentioned, there will be only 50,000 registration and the portal is open, but due to heavy traffic, it is crashed. So we actually don't know when the last date of registration is. You will have to act fast as soon as the form opens, obviously.
I have a question that should I create a new Google account and then log in, or can I use my previous Gmail account? The one
প্রিভিয়াস
that I'm
জিমেল
using.
অ্যাকাউন্টে কি কোনো ছিল, মানে ল্যাব করেছিলিস ওটাতে এরকম ল্যাবসে?
কোর্সেরা না, এইসব কিছু ছিল না।
তাহলে এটা করতে পারিস ওটাতে।
মানে কোর্সেরা কোরা মানে যেসব জিনিসগুলো হয় আর কি ওইগুলো
না না, ওটাতে সমস্যা নেই, এটাতে করতে পারিস তুই।
ঠিক আছে, ওটাতেই করব।
হচ্ছেই না তো দাদা।
অপেক্ষা
কি?
Yeah, guys, please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Have patience. As soon as we get another update, we will be informing you. And if you guys are able to get access before we get an update, please so that we can help everyone. I think the session is becoming boring because of this waiting time. So meanwhile, if you can give your introductions and tell us where you are from and whatever your interests are. A small 30 seconds introduction.
Okay, guys, there's nothing I could do to avoid this situation. So many of them trying to access the form is treated as DDoS attack by Google servers, and hence the form is not working. I hope you will show your continued cooperation. Thank you.
Can you repeat? I am sure not most of them got it.
There's nothing we could do to avoid this situation. So many of you are trying to access the form, which was treated as a DDoS attack by Google servers, and hence the form is not working.
Is that an update from Google?
Yeah, that's an update from Google.
Okay, so should we wait or should we?
Yeah, you should be waiting for it.
No, the form.
I need you. Hello.
Saptadeep, can you repeat yourself?
No, I said that is this discarded? Will it not work ever again?
No, this is not discarded, but the I guess you're not familiar with it, but it was treated as a DDoS attack. Like cybersecurity guys will understand that. So the form is not working. It will be treated soon. Please have patience.
Okay.
So এখন জাস্ট ওয়েট করব, ক্লিক করারও দরকার নেই।
হ্যাঁ, এখন ওয়েট আমাকে বলা হচ্ছে এটা 11 PM অবধি বা 9 PM অবধি ওয়েট করতে, একটু টাইম এটা ঠিক হতে। So let's wait for a few minutes and I'll be updating you soon. Wait for some time. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, all of us are sorry. We actually anticipated that we might get to fill the form together, but I think we'll have to wait. Yeah, any of you can switch on your mic and give a small introduction of where you are from, which college you are from, and obviously the hobbies. That would be great. Sorry?
वापस से चला गया।
हाँ, थोड़ा सा सर्वर इशू हो रहा है एज गौरव हैज मेंशन, तो थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा हमें। So is there anyone who wants to introduce themselves? It would be great to know people from different backgrounds. So Akash is saying that all the introverts have gathered. Well, that's true. Issues. Okay, someone is feeling sleepy.
एक्चुअली यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है हमको नहीं पता, हम देख देख के यहाँ पे अचानक से आ गए। तो हमारा एक्चुअली एक चल रहा था ये क्लाउड प्रोग्रामिंग को लेके हमारे स्टेट में, तो हम गलती से आगे लिंक पे क्लिक करके।
अच्छा, no problem.
भाई
No
तुम हो
problem.
कहाँ से?
ओडिशा।
ओह नाइस प्लेस।
उड़ीसा कहाँ से?
अ,
अच्छा भुवनेश्वर। Are you from K2?
क्या?
Which college are you from?
ITR।
Okay.
Sorry.
So we have people from different colleges. That's great.
आप लोग कहाँ से हो?
We are from, I think most of us are from Kolkata. And then other than that, we also have students from different states as well.
I am from Coach Bihar, North Bengal.
Guys, take this as a cue to
From
take this
Sarlabad
as a cue to
University.
tell us about where you guys are from. Yes, Shubham, I did not get you.
I'm from Sarlabad University, Ranchi.
Oh, it's a neighboring state. That's great.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyone else?
एक्चुअली यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है थोड़ा ब्रीफ।
Gaurav, take this as your cue to explain. Or Kaushik, anyone.
यहाँ पे 30 days क्लाउड का रजिस्ट्रेशन हो रहा था, लेकिन टू सर्वर इशू वी आर ऑल वाइट।
हाँ, हमारा भी सेम ही हुआ, तो हम चेक करते करते आए तो यहाँ पे किसी तरह घुस गए। तो अभी 30 डे प्रोग्राम हो रहा था ऑफिस की तरफ से, तो न हमारा भी क्रैश हो गया सेम। तो हम देखने के लिए आए तो लिंक पे क्लिक किए तो अचानक से यहाँ पे रिडायरेक्ट हो गए, तो घुस आए ऐसे।
भाई तुमको भी गूगल टी शर्ट चाहिए क्या?
नहीं नहीं, क्लाउड में थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट है, हमारे भाई एक हैं तो वो बोले कि करके देख, फील्ड ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बढ़ेगा तेरा।
I have done twice a lab like this in a
सब
quick lab, but
शिक्षक
I
के
never
लिए
faced
नहीं
this
आते
kind
हैं।
of issue before. This is my first time I'm facing this kind of issue.
Yeah, please don't map the program with the goodies. You actually get to learn a lot. It's just not for the goodies that you will be getting. You will also get knowledge. I think that's the best part of this program.
You will get to learn many things from here, not only one single thing.
Gaurav, is it similar like learn program that is जो अभी जस्ट हुआ था क्विक लैब में लर्न हुआ? हेलो, अभी जस्ट एक क्विक लैब में हुआ लर्न टू वन प्रोग्राम, उसी जैसा है क्या लगभग?
हाँ, उसी जैसा है, सिमिलर है। अगर आपने ऐसा पहले कभी किया होगा तो बहुत डिफिकल्टी नहीं होगी, एंड इनफैक्ट किसी को भी ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं लगेगा।
वहाँ पे इंस्ट्रक्शन बहुत क्लियर रहता है।
Yes. So I think we have a testimony who is telling us that the instructions are quite clear and easy to follow. So no fear.
If you follow
details.
Yeah.
Each and every step is there.
Thank you, Satish.
The why cloud computer is important in our daily
Cloud engineering. I have to do it. I have interest in it, so I have. Why are you doing Somnath? For the goodies or for the sake of studying it?
knowledge.
Good. Nice enthusiasm.
So if anyone has any prior knowledge of cloud computing, why don't you give a small brief about cloud computing? That would be great. Anything that you have, anything associated with cloud, you can share. So Kaushik and Gaurav, there is a question: sort of system or service to store the data. Can you take that?
It is a server. It's provide a service to store data also. Was that clear enough?
Yeah, Akash have understood it, and Shubham is also helping him.
Actually, I'm a school student and my cousin is in TIT. So I joined by excitement. He told me about this event and
That's great. Which school are you from?
I'm Vidya Bhavan.
Okay, so you live in Kolkata?
Yes, Kolkata, Behala.
Okay, nice. And you are in which class?
I'm in my 11th.
Okay, so are you excited for college?
Yes.
That's great. So I guess there's no point in waiting, but if any of you want to wait, we will wait till 6 o'clock together. But if any of you guys want to leave, you can leave the event as well. Thank you so much for joining again. We
Hello
love
guys, sorry for the inconvenience. I was gone for network issues. So as per the info I got from Google, they have been asking us to try again after some time, like after 1 or 2 hours, so that everyone can participate equally. So are you comfortable with that?
Yeah, no
Yeah.
problem.
Gaurav, can you tell me what next we have to do?
Okay, after a few hours, like you can try tomorrow also. Today also don't try tomorrow. Try to do it today by itself. So but before 12 a.m., try to log in into the same page you are logging into now. Like you can. Do I have to forward the page again? I'm sending a link again. Wait. This is the page you have to open after 1 or 2 hours. You will be getting a form. You have to fill up that form. You will be asked for college name. Type in. Like to know. International Bhatanagar. Wait.
Shubham is saying that the page is working, so you guys can try one time.
Let me see.
Gaurav, can you please send the link once again in the WhatsApp group?
WhatsApp group. Nia, can you please do that? I'm like,
Yeah, sure, I'll be doing that.
this right now. Thank you. Yeah, it's opening. Yeah, it's opening. You can try now. A bit slow.
Yeah, you can. You can register it now
my
also.
screen. I'm
Go and do
presenting
it
the
now.
screen. You can just see. Okay, so is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
So tap in. Okay, it's gone again. It's gone again. Sorry, guys. So the link you have to go. Give your college name as Techno International Bhatanagar, irrespective of which school or college you are from. Give your college name as Techno International Bhatanagar, or else you won't be eligible for the program. The next step is, if you are being asked if you have a Quick Labs profile, just tap on yes, and on the next page, give a Quick Labs profile ID, public profile ID, and you'll be done. Soon you'll be getting an email from Google stating that you are confirmed for the event, and also you'll be getting the instructions from Google like what to do after that in order to claim your subscription for the Quick Labs. And if you face any problem, just feel free to text in the group. It is now participants only. You can text that. Don't send in foolish messages in the group, or don't spam with the same weird questions. Try to send genuine questions in the group. And if you feel any problem, feel free to text admins, Neha, Varsadi, or Kaushik, or me, and also Prajwal or Subradipta. Thank you.
Well, it's not working again.
Yeah, the link is working again. So I told you all to try again after some time. Like before 12 AM, you have, I think, 6 hours. You can try in that time.
Okay.
Apart from all this, is there anyone who is having any issues, any doubts?
Yeah, if you have any issues regarding the what is Quick Labs or how to create anything, just tell me now. I'll be solving it.
What if we fail to create an account now? Would we be able to do it tomorrow?
Like which account?
Like the Quick Labs one.
Quick Labs, no. In order to perform the program, perform the labs and be eligible to participate in the program, you will have to create a Quick Labs account.
Is there a limit, like we have to do it within 12
PM?
12 AM?
Huh?
Is there something that we have to create that Quick Labs account before 12 AM?
Yeah, in order to get things handy, you can create a profile earlier, because we'll be needing the public profile ID to submit in the form. Else it will be a very hectic work for you later on.
Public profile ID means my Gmail account.
No, bro, I showed the tutorial live today, and also I sent the video yesterday.
I think he joined a little later, so
He was in the group. He was in the group, I think.
I may have.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. So can you do it now? Create your profile now.
Or Satyadeep, you can follow the video that we have created.
Yeah, I've already sent a video in the group. If you want, I can send it to you again. Just drop in a text on the WhatsApp. I'll guide
send
you.
it to me again.
Just text me on WhatsApp and I'll guide you through.
Okay.
Previously in here it's showing that switch account something.
I'm not getting it. Can you please speak clearly?
Previously it was showing that switch
Prajwal has
account.
sent a
Is it
video.
necessary to switch account or what?
Yeah, it's free to switch account. You need to apply from the account you have created your Quick Labs ID with. So it will be preferable, I think. It's not mandatory, but it's preferable to be eligible.
Okay. Thank you.
Because I had an instance where my friend applied from the same profile he used earlier, and he wasn't eligible for the prizes. Although he performed all the labs, but he wasn't eligible for the prizes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone has any other queries?
हाँ भाई एक चीज है आज रात कितने तक भी होगा, मतलब कोई टाइम लिमिट नहीं
टाइम लिमिट नहीं है।
टाइम लिमिट नहीं है, लेकिन रजिस्ट्रेशन लिमिट है, 50,000 रजिस्ट्रेशन है।
तुम्हारे कॉलेज में जीडीएससी है ना? तुम्हारे कॉलेज में है ना जीडीएससी? हाँ तो उन लोगों ने क्या बोला है? तो फॉलो दैट, आई थिंक इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू।
हाँ वही, पर मतलब हमारा भी तो वही सेम ही है ना, क्रैश हो गया तो सब।
I think no, the problem with that is basically if you're registering under one, it would be better if you have a GDSC, you register under that institute. They would be giving you much better guidance as compared to us. So for us, if there is any neighboring college which does not have GDSC, they can reach out to us to be a participant of this, and also the schools that don't have GDSC. I don't think any schools have GDSC, so yeah, that's the case. But I think
if you're already having a GDSC club in your campus, just contact them. It will be helpful for you too.
We would recommend you to do that.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's free. You can always do it under us as well. We're happy to help. Izhan is saying that he did not hear what to do with the public link. Can you guys repeat it again?
Public link. Which
Just
one?
copy it and keep it with yourself. You'll be needing it while filling up the form in Google.
Has
No,
everyone,
you have to use a
is
Google
everyone
account.
present here created the club's ID? Just tap in yes or no in the chat.
Gaurav, why don't you do one thing? Brief them from the beginning. I think some of them have entered a little
I
late.
don't think I'll be able to do that because I've already created a Quick Labs account. So in order
No,
to-
just give them a brief about what to do, how to do, or maybe I would do that. So according to Gaurav,
Okay, can you
will
present the video? I think that will be helpful.
Just play the video, exactly. Just play the video.
just play the video. Yeah, any one of
Okay,
you
wait,
can do that.
wait, I'll be doing that. Wait a sec. Is my screen visible? Anyone who has not yet created a Quick Labs, please see this video. It will be helpful for you. And still, if you face any problem, just text in the chat or turn your mic on and say what queries you have.
So this was all about how to create the Quick Lab profile now and how to generate the public profile link. Now the link will be asked in while you will be registering for the 30 days of Google Cloud program. Whenever the form opens, let's just hope that it opens soon. You will have to enter that whenever asked for that link. So I hope the steps are clear. First, you will have to make a Quick Lab profile. Then you will have to generate the public profile link, keep it with yourself, and while registering, enter it whenever asked. And please select Techno International Bhatanagar whenever you are asked for the institute name under which you are going to be performing this 30 days of Google Cloud program. Up to this, is any of the step unclear? If you still have any doubt, anything, just tell us.
Add one more thing.
Yes, Kaushik.
Guys, please use your Gmail. Don't use your college mail or email, whatever it is. Please don't use this. It's recommended to use Gmail. Please. Thank you.
Yeah, I just created a new Google account right now. Can I use this for Quick Labs?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, you can add.
Okay.
So Priyanshu is suggesting that whenever the registration starts, that is whenever the server is open, and we have one more meeting with the facilitator. I think the facilitator would be unavailable today. He is a little tight on schedule, but can we have Kaushik? So, and if you guys agree on having, if we can get then 50% of the audience that we have right now, then we can conduct a similar session.
I did not fill anything, but there's a script which says that thank you so much for your interest in enrolling the 30 days of Google Cloud program. We are sorry.
Have you filled the program? Have you filled up the form
The
yet?
form is now closed. We are not accepting any new enrollment.
No. Please wait. It will be opened again.
Achha.
I also seen that, but don't worry about that. It will be open again. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
So do you guys want a informal session very similar to this whenever the registration opens? Then
Yeah, in the night.
please
Yes.
type in yes. Please type in
Yes.
yes in the chat so that we can get a count.
I'll be informing you guys once the form opens again. Don't worry about that.
Even if Gaurav is unable to join us, we can have Kaushik.
Yeah.
Kaushik will also
Yeah,
guide
we'll be
us.
able to handle that.
So, okay, so many of you are willing to have that. So we can schedule so just keep an eye on the GDSC TIB group. We will be sending the link and the Google Meet link along with that, and we may get to meet soon again. I hope so. So apart from that, is there any other question, query, suggestion as well?
Yes, after completing the labs, you said we will get some creds. So what will we do with those cred points?
The credit points are, I think, used to do further more labs, because those labs will just only help you to get the credit points, but the credit points are in actual used to do the labs that will be tracked under the campaign. So am I right, Gaurav?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, yes.
Any other queries?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So voice is very nice.
Okay, I'll take that as a compliment.
Yes. So thank you so much, guys. If you have any question, you can leave, and if you want to stay, you can stay as well.
Once the form opens, I'll be informing you guys. Don't worry about that, and don't panic, please.
Yeah, Shivam, you can stay.
Well, I have faced a problem while creating a quick lab account. It is showing 502 bad gateway.
I didn't get you. Can you contact me over WhatsApp? I'll be guiding you through.
Okay. Should I call you?
Just text me on WhatsApp. Just don't call me now.
Also, guys, humble request, please read the messages in the group first and then text, because we have been getting flooded with personal messages since yesterday. And most of the questions were repetitive, which were already answered in the group. So please avoid doing that, because of this reason, some of the chapter members have also muted the group. I don't think that's a good thing to do, because we don't want anyone to see GDSC as an annoyance. We want them to participate as well. So please keep in mind that don't ask any question which could be solved by asking any of your friends. Reach out to us. We are all free to help you, but make sure that you don't cause any kind of inconvenience for others.
Brother, what is your experience with the previous Google Cloud program?
It was fantastic, and I learned a new things. And I was also pursuing the cloud course on Coursera, sponsored by Google.
No, I know it completed. I'm not asking that. I am asking that the same kind of issue happened with this before.
No, nothing happened like that earlier. Also, we got the link last